But the room is a noun phrase. Appreciated the amazing performance. The determiner, adjective, and noun are three. 25 is three. Grabe ka yung first one. Let's go to 26. So what was the question that we Okay, for 26, these are phrases that follow the head and elaborate on its meaning. What is the answer? Complement. Okay, this is called a complement. Complement or complements? What's my complement? We will consider. Complement spelled out E-L-E-N-E. Let's go to 27. Words that precede the head and provide additional information. Specifiers. 28. The study of meaning is called semantics. That's correct. Study of meaning in a language is semantics. 29, 30, 31. So pwede siya mabayo-bayo.
Formal, lexical.
What are the three types of semantics?
Formal, lexical. So, may aday variant.
Pwede lang mabayo-bayo for 29, 30, 31. Formal, conceptual, and ito isa?
Wala yung isa, no?
Number 8,
Logical, isa sir. Logical, isa sir.